Hey guys, as you can see, market is open and we are placing the buy entry at the market. And so this is the stop and the target for that. So now make sure your targets and the stops are similar to mine, because this will be a kind of tricky trade, because we are at our 272 target on the daily chart. So make sure you follow the rules and I'll be updating you as we go along on this trade. Hey guys, this is the next update on the trade. As you can see, this is kind of pain-free trade. We are moving towards our targets. So I'll be updating you as we go along. And there is a request for everybody to make sure you're booking your full of the profits at the target. Alright, so I'll be updating you as we go along. Let's see what happens. Guys, this is the next update in the trade. As you can see, we are so close to our targets, and I have a personal feelings that it is actually going more higher on that. But trading is not on feelings, it's on discipline and rules. So we'd be going break even on this one, and actually this is actually setting up for one spike up. In that we would be booking our targets and we'll get out of the trades whatever we get. So I'll see you soon once our target get hit. Hey guys, as you can see, our target got hit, so we are out of the trade due to our pending orders. But some of you guys, if you want, you can carry along the trade. That's up to you, but that will be a little riskier, so make sure you're following the rules while you are in the trade. And another 50 points are in our pocket. So I'll see you soon once I find any other good trade.